Hello! Welcome to the Zinfi Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. Please click on the subscribe button for informative videos on various aspects of partner ecosystem management. Welcome back to the PRM Software, the ultimate guide to drive business growth series. In the second part of the series, we'll explore how to measure, manage, and optimize your PRM program. Today, we're answering 3 key questions about PRM implementation and success. How do I measure the success of my PRM program? Measuring the success of your PRM program involves tracking a set of critical metrics. Customer acquisition cost, CAC. Compare the CAC through your partner network to direct sales. A lower CAC via partners indicates program effectiveness. Cost to serve, CTS. Evaluate the CTS when using partners versus direct sales. A higher CTS through partners suggests a need to refine the partner program. Churn rate. Monitor churn rates for both direct and partner-acquired customers. A lower churn rate via partners indicates their ability to retain customers effectively. Lifetime value, LTV. Assess the LTV of customers acquired through partners compared to direct sales. A higher LTV via partners suggests their ability to attract high-value customers. Revenue ramp-up speed. Analyze the revenue growth rate through partners versus direct sales. A faster ramp-up via partners indicates their ability to drive revenue quickly. Beyond these metrics, gather partner feedback through surveys and sessions. Monitor partner platform adoption, interaction frequency, and lead quality. How do I use PRM software to manage my partner relationships? PRM software can transform partner management. Design high-return programs. Prioritize programs with the highest return and quickest time to value. Automate partner processes. Automate partner onboarding, enablement, co-marketing, co-sales, and incentives for efficiency and consistency. Foster open communication. Utilize built-in communication tools for seamless interactions through newsletters, webinars, or direct messaging. Leverage analytics and reporting. Gain insights into partner performance, identify top performers, and pinpoint areas for improvement. How do I use PRM software to generate leads and drive sales? PRM software empowers lead generation and sales. Partner enablement. Equip partners with the necessary tools and knowledge to effectively promote products or services. Co-marketing initiatives. Engage in collaborative marketing campaigns with partners to amplify reach and impact. Co-sales programs. Foster a collaborative sales approach, ensuring both parties benefit from combined sales efforts. Lead management integration. Integrate PRM software with lead management systems to track and nurture leads effectively. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll discuss how to use PRM software to improve customer satisfaction, increase partner engagement, and manage your partner channel. Thank you for watching Zinfi Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. If you've enjoyed this video, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button to stay informed on a variety of best practices for building a high-performing partner ecosystem using programs, processes, people, and technology platforms. Hope to connect with you soon and have a great day.